Welcome to the final week of Dance 366. So it has been like a really crazy year. And I had planned on showing you like outtakes and random bloopers from this past year, but in true 2020 style, we had some technical issues behind the scenes, and I am unfortunately not able to do that at this time. So, we are taking a different approach this last week, and instead, I want to talk about progress, things to be kind of aware of moving forward, and some of the little things to really take into consideration, and some things we may be familiar with and know, other things we probably don't really want to hear, but that's okay, that happens too. One of the big things is the fact that, as they say, the show must go on. And I really strongly feel that, especially this year. Dance 366 has taken on a completely different aspect than what I had originally thought it was going to do, with relocating the entire studio and different changes in how we had to film and all these different dynamics. And there's still more changes coming that I am working on. And I'm really, really excited for those. I am super excited to get into this next year and keep working on some new things that we can show you and just growth. So I look forward to seeing you tomorrow as we talk about a whole number of things. I will see you then.